Hello once again, dudes. This is Emil from the Code Conspiracy, and welcome to another tutorial in XHTML. In this tutorial, we're gonna be finishing the standard website up a little bit. There's a lot of functions that we didn't add, but you know the idea if you want to make a real website. Alright, so now I'm just gonna call this these different names, and then I'm gonna go on my website and look what the other videos is called, cause I couldn't remember. So we're gonna go on the channel, like our channel here, right, and see the XHTML videos. Alright, so the second one is called this. Installing, I won't have to write names, a text editor, right, and the third one, I can't say, what was that called again? Creating a basic website, right. Creating a basic website. Web page. Okay. So if we go ahead and run this again, there, as you can see here, there's nothing to link to. That's why it's not lighting. But we'll be adding it. So now we're gonna be creating all those files here. I should probably, under programming here, add a subtitle here called XHTML here, and then add this paragraph, just as I told you before, for the sake of the look. Here looks pretty good actually. Okay, so now we're gonna be working with these files. So this is the reason I made three new files. So I'm gonna save the first one at xhtml1.html, and I'm gonna save the second one. Come on, yeah. I'm gonna save the second one as just gonna type in xhtml. I'm just gonna copy this so I don't have to type it in. Right, xhtml2, right? It was 2.html. Alright, and save here the last one, 3.html. Alright, so now we're gonna copy the core, as I told you before, into it. So it's going to be this page here. Or we can just copy the whole thing actually and delete the parts that we don't need. It would probably be more smart. Alright. So delete those links here. So right, so now we're gonna basically be adding some videos in here. It's not going to take that long, so we're going to hopefully finish this in this tutorial. So if we go here and take the first here, this is the first video. Just gonna use this section. Right, so I'm gonna type in here. What was the title of this yet again? We'll see. First, I'm gonna add this, of course, the video introduction thing. I'm gonna copy that. So we're gonna make a third header here, getting smaller and smaller. Alright. So if we go ahead and run this website that we have been building here, and then tutorials, XHTML, introduction, and you can see here we go. It's here. It's not centered though, I don't think. I will center it if needed, but it's here, so you can basically just change the size as you wish. I don't like the size. I'm gonna call it 400 by 600 and see how that looks. So I'm just gonna run this page directly actually, so I don't have to browse to it. This looks even worse. I'm not that good at hide word thing, but if we change around on it here and then update the page, there you go. That's a nice design. So I want to add a few things. Oh, it was centered actually. So I want to add a few things below the bottom. That is some links that I want to add. The first one is again href, right, and then it's going to be XHTML 2 or yeah .html. All right, and that is going to be saying like next video and then the name of it. So the name of the next video, as you can see here, is this. I'm just gonna take the name here actually. Would prefer that. Alright, and then int a tag. Right? So if we go ahead and run this now, you can see this is getting better and better. Actually we just need to make a break here for it to look properly. But here you can see next video installing a text editor. Right? So here you can see it goes to the next you can see window here. So I'm gonna copy this here, put in here and type in 2 and then installing a text editor. Right. Alright, so I'm gonna go on YouTube again. I wanna have the right videos. I wanna have, even though it's just a tutorial, I wanna have the right functionality to my website. So we're gonna copy the code again. This time it's the same code that we ordered last time. Now there is a little bit difference for the piece that we made the last time. I also want to have the next video on this one. So so just for showing a quick example, I'm just gonna type in previous previous video, right? And then make another href that's gonna be xhtml3.html next video. We're almost there, dudes. Just hang on for a second. I know you're not really learning anything, but believe me, this is going to be great. So in here I'm gonna type in this. Alright, so if we go ahead and run this directly again, as I said, or sorry, not Firefox, don't even have that installed. As I see, you can see here, choose between the previous video, then here, installing a text editor. Oh man, that's what I forgot. Man, I've got to change it to introduction. Oh man, that's my problem. That is honestly my problem. Here, that was a brain mistake. So if we go ahead and run this again, and allow this, you can see previous video, introduction, next video, and then the next. Now we haven't added the next yet, so this is the last thing we're going to do. So I'm gonna copy this section. Sorry about that. So here we're gonna add the final things. The previous video was installing a text editor, right? Alright, so what video was that? What that was XHTML2, not 3. Alright, so there's no next video on this one. Right, so what is the name of this one? Just to be doing it correctly, that's creating a basic website, right? Alright, so if we save this and go ahead and run this, we should have a basic finished website actually. So you can see previous, installing a text, next, and then oh, it's the wrong code we got from YouTube, sorry. I'm a little bit tired, as you can hear, but I managed to do it anyway. So we're gonna copy the section here and then replace it, and you actually made a basic website. So you can go around and play with this as you please and use it to create another awesome sweet website. So stay tuned for more XHTML tutorials, dudes, and I'll see you next time.